Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials, Android Studio and a compatible JDK, Java 11 or newer, so Gradle builds run cleanly. Once installed, open Studio and pick New Project. Choose Empty Activity to avoid template complexity. Make sure to select Kotlin or Java based on your preference. Kotlin is modern and concise. Connect a test device and enable USB debugging or set up an emulator now. These steps get you past blockers quickly, so your first build can run in minutes rather than hours. Once done with setup, focus on configuration. Open project structure and confirm the SDK and API level match your device or emulator. Sync Gradle. If errors appear, update Android Gradle plugin or dependency versions. Gradle Sync resolves many issues. Create an AVD using an x86 image for speed and enable hardware acceleration. Edit activity main. XML with a simple text view. Then implement main activity logic to set content. Building now, you're ready to run. Select your device or AVD and click Run. Watch Logcat for crashes and the Run window for install progress. If the app fails, check SDK path in Settings, Gradle distribution in Gradle wrapper, Properties and runtime permissions in the manifest. Rebuild project after fixes, clean caches if needed. Finally, initialize Git, commit the working project, and add a README explaining how to build and run. This saves time later. One troubleshooting tip: clear Studio caches and restart if errors persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.